Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're checking out some shadow text effect in Illustrator. First step, select the type tool, click. I'm gonna type in Panther. I'm gonna go to characters and select the font. I'm gonna go with Impact. It's a free font, you can download that. I'm gonna right click, create outline, right click on group, and I'm gonna rearrange the text a little bit. Great, select all and select the knife tool, which is located here. If you don't have the knife tool, you can click on these three little dots, click, and you're gonna find the knife right here. Just drag and drop the knife somewhere into the menu. Select the knife, and all you need to do is slice them. You can slice both of the letters, you can slice and go across all of the letters. You can also cross it like that. I don't think you can mess this up, but if you add too much slices, then it won't look that good. So I'm gonna be careful about that. And after you're done, all you need to do is just reposition them carefully. Look how good that looks. And it looks something like this. I love these shadow text effects a lot. So mainly this was it. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.